Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ant Design and create enterprise-grade dashboards, full guide step-by-step clearly. First, ensure that you have Node.js installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the command node v to check your Node.js version. If Node.js is not installed, download it from the official Node.js website. Next, install the Create React App tool. Run the command npx create react app my dashboard in your terminal. This will create a new React application in a folder named My Dashboard. Navigate into the project directory using cd my dashboard. Now, it's time to install Ant Design. Run the command npm install ant to include Ant Design in your project. Once the installation is complete, open your project in your preferred code editor. Locate the src folder and open the app.js file. You will now import the Ant Design components you need. At the top of the file, add import and/dist/ant.css to include the Ant Design styles. Next, import the components you want to use. For example, add import button date picker from Ant. In the app function, start creating your dashboard layout. You can now use Ant Design components directly inside the JSX. For instance, add a button by placing button type equals primary click me/button in the return statement. To create an enterprise-grade dashboard, organize your layout with Ant Design's grid system. Utilize components like row and call to create responsive designs. Add charts or data visualizations by integrating third-party libraries like recharts or chart.js. Install your chosen library using a command like npm install recharts. Now, import the necessary components from the chart library into your app.js. After adding basic functionality, enhance your dashboard with state management. Consider using hooks like useState and useEffect to handle dynamic data. For a more structured approach, look into using Redux or Context API for state management. As you finalize your dashboard, take time to customize the styling of Ant Design components. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.